In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do one of the easiest and strongest joints. It's been around for centuries. Stay tuned. Okay, this is a mallet that I made earlier today, and what I did was I attached the handle to the mallet head using a wedged round mortise and tenon joint. And what I will tell you is this is a joint that is incredibly strong and reliable. And that's what you want when you're, well, especially when you're making a piece of furniture, or in my case, a wood mallet. Now, there's a trick to it. It's a simple joint to create, but there's a couple tricks that you gotta know before you attempt this joint. I'm gonna show you what they are. This is the head here. And I turned the handle earlier this morning, so let me show you how this joint works. So one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to take our handle here, and we're going to take a saw, and we're going to cut it right down the center. So I've cut down the center of my handle. Now there's one last thing that I need to do. I need to drill a hole right at the base of this cut line here. So there we go. There's our hole at the base of our cut line. So the reason for the hole is to take the stress off. When we drive a wedge here, we don't want to split our handle. When you insert your handle, the direction the wedge is going is very important. You don't want the wedge going in the same direction as the wood grain on the mallet head, or on whatever it is you're constructing. You want the wedge to run perpendicular to the wood grain, just like this. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.